Hello. So in this video, we're going to learn about how to create a bug report in BUGmania Season 3. So once you're done with the registration, you will receive a registration confirmation mail. In that mail, you will get some links. These are few links like bug report format link, FAQs link, bug report submission link. So when you click on bug report format link, it will take you to the Excel sheet where it shows the format of a bug report. So how you have to create a bug report? Exactly in this way, you have to create a bug report. You have to perform the testing. You have to identify the mistakes. You have to take the screenshot of that mistake. Only screenshot is allowed. No video recording is allowed. So you have to just take a screenshot and mention that those bug into Excel file. So here you have to mention your name, then your email ID, then your contact number and category, like you're a student, you're a faculty, or you're a professional. Then here you have to mention a sequence number or 101 or any bug ID. Then here you have to give the bug description in a detailed format, which can be easily understandable. Then here you have to mention your device description, your mobile operating system with the version of your mobile operating system, and your device model name. For example, you have to mention Android 11, Vivo V20. Then in steps to execute, you have to mention the steps that you have followed. For example, first open your application, second click on this button, third click on this, and so on. So you have to write all the steps that you have followed. Then here, an expected result, you have to mention that what output you are assuming or what output you are expecting that this output should be visible. But instead of that, some other output is visible. That's why it is considered as a bug. So here you have to mention the expected result which needs to be displayed. Or you can say what is a correct output that you have to mention in expected result. Then in screenshot, you have to attach your screenshots, your photos, images over here. So how you will attach that? Let's take an example. You have to create a folder of your application. I have taken a folder of Kuber. You have to take all the screenshots of your bugs and upload all your screenshots into this folder. Rename all the screenshots with the naming of 1, 2, 3 or with the bug ID. Then create an Excel file like this. Then you have to write the bug ID, then bug description. Let's suppose your Facebook app crashed after OTP in Android 12. So when we are upgrading the Android version, our Facebook app is crashes. So that's what I have mentioned, the bug description. Then you have to mention the device description, that is Android 12, Vivo V2, 3E, whatever be the model of your mobile application. Then you have to mention steps to execute. So first step is go to Play Store. Second step is go to installed app. Third step is search for Facebook. Fourth step is click on update. So whatever steps that you have followed, you have to mention that 1, 2, 3, 4 in this format. Then coming on expected result, what you are actually expecting when you follow these steps that you have to mention in expected result, that when I click on update, an app should be open and it should show you the login page. If already login, then main homepage should be visible. So that is my expected result. This result, what I'm expecting and what should be the correct output. You don't need to mention the actual result. That would be fine. It's just for the reference. Here you have to attach the screenshot. How you have to attach the screenshot? Click on the text box, then click on insert, then click on link, then choose your screenshot for respective bug, click on the screenshot and OK. Make sure your screenshot and your bug report should be on the same folder. So in this manner, you have to create a complete bug report. So once you completed with bug report, attach all the screenshots, then you have to zip this entire folder which contains your screenshots as well as bug report. So right click on the folder, compress to zip file. So here the zip folder has been created. Now go to your mail again. In your mail, you will get a bug report submission link. When you click on the link, a form of bug submission will be open. Here you have to mention your name, your email ID, your WhatsApp number, your college name or a company name if you're working professional. Then here you have to add a file of your respective zip file. You have to add just a zip file which contain your bug report as well as your screenshots, and then submit the file. So in this manner, you have to find the bugs, you have to create the bug reports, and you have to submit that bug reports to us. So all the best, and just find as many as bugs you can. Thank you.